Alright guys, today I'm going to show you this. It's an old Hexagon tank. We're going to go ahead and clean this thing. I want to get rid of the trim because it is in, roach infested shape. So we're going to get rid of the trim around the top and the bottom. We'll go ahead and show you how we do that, show you the tools that you're going to need, and basically show you how to make an old tank new again. We'll get this thing all cleaned up. Wait till you see what this sucker is about to look like. So I've got it all stripped down. Now it's time to get all this excess silicone off of here. We're just gonna cut it all out. It's like they did a fantastic job cutting this glass when they cut it. Flat spot. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the silicone on the inside. We'll show you how to do that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this flat scraper and we're gonna go ahead and just scrape out all of the remaining silicone on the top side here. Design. This piece fits on here like so. Cut that all up. So now the piece will sit just like so. Let's test it.
Let that dry first before you pull it off.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna pull it off. I think I'm gonna seal it on there like this.
Oh, that's a good idea too.
You know what I mean?
Are you just gonna leave the wood as it is, or is it
wood as it is? Yeah, because then I'm gonna put a top on that.
Clear green top, or
no, a clear.
Are you gonna seal it?
No, it's gonna be. So this underneath here is gonna be all silicone. I'm gonna smear the silicone underneath the wood, and then the top section here is gonna be with a waterproof paint.
Oh, right here. And what about underneath?
Underneath will all be smeared with silicone.
Even this edge?
Yeah, all this front edge here and everything. So that, well, I mean, we'll probably paint this front edge actually. I don't know, we might not. So I moved the tank from the shop to the house. This is all ready for some silicone. I'm gonna take these alcohol prep pads, prep everything out. I'm using Loctite clear silicone, aquarium safe. The reason why I'm using this small tube is because I can't find anything bigger in my area, but it's always worked great for me. I've used this on this tank here, and it worked out really good. It's been going strong for about 1.5 years now, so good product, and I recommend it. You get the silicone in there, nice thick bead. I'm just gonna take this, slide that into place. I got the base siliconed on there, taped on there, and I went ahead and taped with masking tape my lines just to keep them nice and straight. Down there, it doesn't matter, it's covered with wood. Up here, doesn't matter, I'm going to seal all that up last, up under there. But yeah, down there it doesn't matter so much because it's going to be hidden by wood and substrate. So just wanted my lines to be real clean on the corners. That's why I tape. Alright, it's all sealed up. Yeah, so we've got it. Here's the tank. It's awesome. It's all perfect and pretty. Perfect for my beautiful wife for Valentine's Day. And yeah, so we painted it white and white trim on top. Did a pretty cool lid with some pretty cool lights up there. And got a filter in there. It's pretty sweet. So yeah, this is our tank. This is it. We're gonna get some fish in it and then check it out when it's all set up and done. Tiva.